Good morning, everyone. May I know this my voice and my PPT? Uh, so let me check if it's working or not. Okay, let's start. Very good morning, everyone. So, welcome to this webinar on topic Catch Small and Grow Big. So, in this webinar, we are going to leverage technology for business success. The topic is leveraging technology for your business success. Okay, so for that, we will be first looking into the agenda for today's session. So, firstly, introduction, understanding technology leverage, identifying pain points and opportunities, enhancing customer experience, how 10G Spectrum can help, and live Q&A session will be conducted at the end of the session. Okay, so basically, I want to disclaimer you about that we will not go in the topic of any of this topic. We will just cover all, we will just give you an overview of what all these kind of things are and how you can enable into your business and how you can utilize these kind of things. And if you want to know more, you can take a consultation with me or you can reach out to our team. Okay, they will help you for that. So, firstly, we can go to our firstly, let me introduce myself. My name is Adish, and I am founder and CEO of 10G Spectrum. So that's all. We will be moving next. Introduction to today's webinar. In this session, we will be exploring how we will be looking into the power of technology that you can utilize in your business to grow and discover new ways to identify the pain points and streamline process and enhance customer experience through innovative technological solution. Okay, so by end of this webinar, you will be able to implement this knowledge into your business. Basic knowledge of use of technology, identify the pain and opportunities, how to enhance customer experience, understanding technology leverage. So basically, we want to understand what is technology leveraging means. We want to use, we look around, we cannot think a world without technology nowadays. Okay, everything is done through technology. Okay, so for that, we want to firstly understand what technology leverage means. For that, what is technology leverage? So, as in the slide, you can see, and its core technology leverage empowers business to do more with less. That's the key point. That means you can do more with less. By harnessing the power of technology, business can amplify their impact, streamline operation, and achieve a remarkable result. That's it. So, if you are running a traditional business, but if you want to go move outside after dropping your shop or any business, what you are in a business, if you go for a 5 month vacation and after that you come in, if you have 100% sure that your business will run smoothly and there will be no issues in the company, then you are running a successful business. If you are not running like that, then you want to implement technology. Without implementation of technology, we cannot do any of this. We want to build a system for your business. That's the main key point. So we are building systems with technology. We can also use traditional systems like assigning some group of people for different tasks, and you can implement all these things with a proper system and a proper business plan. So, not Not we are looking into more over business one, a business map. That means a team map. Okay. So first of all, we want to understand what is technology. In simple terms, technology can do more with less. That's the main reason we are implementing technology into your business. And after that, its impact is very much large, and we have more opportunities after leveraging the technology. Okay, so key elements of technology leverage are we are going to look. So first of all, optimizing process. Basically, we want to optimize and automate all the process and reduce manual effort. So see, we as a human make lots of mistakes, but as a technology or as a computer, they will not make any error. That's the number one thing. Okay, so it's very much important to run our business with errors, without errors. Okay, so for that, technology enable business to automate routine tasks and reducing manual efforts and human errors. These are some things we can enable after implementing the technology. And this optimization lead to enhanced productivity and cost saving. See, we want to save our cost, okay, for paying lots of employees for without not optimizing our business. It's very much important for employment. But the thing is, as a business owner, we want to optimize all the things in the business. If in a company, if you have a team of 100 people, but if you can run that business with the help of technology with 50 or 30% people, then it's a business. It's called business. Okay. Not after you are scaling up all humans and making lots of effort for that, and it's not like a business or we cannot make profit. So first of all, understand that what optimizing process means. After that, data-driven decision making. Access to real-time data and advanced analytics allow businesses to make informed decisions based on insight and trends, leading to more effective strategies. Data-driven decision making. See, we can look into analytics and that business, how business is running in today's world. To based on informed decision based on insight and trends, we can look into our trends, what's the current trend of our industry, and how we can utilize that trend and convert into leads, or all kind of things. We can utilize some strategies, implement some strategies, and we can overall leverage the technology for data driven decision making also. After that, enhancing customer experience. It's very much important to provide a value based, high quality value to our customers. See, enhancing customer experience is a very much important thing in our business. So technology driven solution can create personalized and seamless customer experience and loyalty and brand credibility. So for that, enhancing customer experience is very much important. See how we can enhance customer experience. Look, if you have customer care executive and they are providing some solution to customers, but they cannot at a time they cannot solve uh, 50 persons solution. It's very much important. If you implement that as a AI assistant, a technology driven solution, then it can scale up to maximum. Okay, they can solve within seconds all the queries what the customer needs is. So accordingly, you have to plan how we can enhance customer experience. We will look in upcoming slides about enhancing customer experience. After that, scalability and feasibility. So with technology, business can scale their operation to meet growing demands and adapt quickly to changing market conditions. See, with technology, business can scale. So I will tell you a story about how businesses are, sorry, 1 minute. Okay. So I will tell you a story about how businesses are scaling up. Just an example. Okay, take it as an example. There is a farmer, a family of farmer in a small town, struggled with the transportation challenge, but they dreamed of expanding their business, but with limited of lack of proper transportation means they did not own a car and hiring drivers. That means they do not have, as a small town, the family of farmers, they struggle to find transportation. So one day, a tech entrepreneur visited the town and seeing the potential of the produce they have been producing, and he introduced an game-changing solution, that is leveraging technology. What it means, we already talked about what is technology, and see how he has introduced an innovative online platform that connected farmers directly to buyers and eliminating the middleman and ensuring fair price for their goods. See, as a farmer, and they cannot scale n number of times. Their scalability is very limited. So for that, this entrepreneur proposed a game-changing solution, that is leveraging technology we already told. And he introduced an innovative online platform that connected farmers directly to buyers. That is the solution. So through this platform, the farmer could now scale their business and reach a broader market. See how the things have changed after introducing the technology. They showcased their fresh produce with images, detailed description, and bias capacity from far wide. So how technology has been solving this solution, and with technology in their hands, the farmers gained a newfound flexibility. They no longer have to worry about hiring drivers or maintaining vehicles. Instead, they can rely on reliable logistic services integrated into the platform, allowing them to focus on farming expertise. See, if we implement technology into our business, see, we can focus only on the core business problem. Or the from this story, we are we are learning that the farmer has only focus about farming expertise. They can improve their farming expertise, but on the other hand, if they are not implementing this technology, and they have to look into vehicle and driver expense, vehicle maintenance, and lot of things, and the middleman charge. All these things will be eliminated after implementing technology. So this is how this farmer has gained the technology, and the orders he get has increased largely, and so he expanded their offering by introducing organic products and ventured into new markets. The technology has opened him a wide variety of door or opportunities for him. So with the power of digital technology or digital connectivity, the town farmer transformed their lives. See, the once small scale business has came to an enterprise. How so? They were no longer limited by distance or lack of resources. Technology has unlocked a world of possibilities and enabling their dream to take flight. See, the technology has unlocked a world potential or possibilities, enabling their dreams to take the flight. See, from this story, we can understand that how technology has been after implementing, how he has scaled to a large opportunity. Okay, he has opened lots of things. So that's it, the story. And now we can leverage why technology leveraging matters. So we can move, gain competitive edge, stay ahead of competitors by embracing technology to innovate and improve your product, service, and process. See, you can stay ahead of competition by implementing technology to innovate. Uh, for the, I can say a disadvantage with technology is it's not a disadvantage. Take it as its own way. That is, this technology is available to all everybody. Okay, in the world. So everyone can do this thing. But how you do is and how you implement technology is the main concept here. So for that, you have to stay ahead of competitors by implementing a technology. How you can smoothly prepare a process for this and how your product and service should be sold to the customers. So see, after that, drive business growth. Technology leverage for business growth and enabling expansion and diversification. See, how business can enable a business growth. See, technology can enable a business growth. With the help of technology, you, your business will be grown into next level. As we see in the story. In the story, the farmer, if the farmer only look into traditional way, he cannot scale in a short period of time and he cannot scale up to this much. But if he has as he introduced the technology to the farmer, so after implementing technology to his expertise, the business growth is very much high. From that story itself, we can understand how technology is important to our business. Improve efficiency is very much important to improve our operational systems. That is workflow through technology. Workflow through technology, allowing your team to focus on core business function. As we talked earlier, by implementing this technology, your team can only focus on the core business function, not rather than solving the problems of customers with each chat or customer request. After that, all these things can be introduced or operated by technology. Then why you have to build a workflow with manual labor? So for that, automate that process and stay relevant and future proof. By technology, ensure your business remains relevant in ever evolving digital landscape. See, we already talked about. See, one quote I have given you is this technology is available to everybody, but how you utilize is very much important. So next is identifying the pain points and opportunities, our next section. Analyzing pain points. So see, technology allows you to assess your business process and operation more effectively. For analyzing pain points, we can implement customer feedback and strategies. New strategies can be introduced. All these kinds of things can be introduced. The pain point with technology, how technology can solve your pain point. That means productivity or inefficiency to customers. That is not solving lots of errors with the human labors. All these things can be solved with our technology. Uncover areas where manual effort can be replaced by automation to optimize resource allocation. These are some analyzing pain points. Listening to customer feedback is important. So, by leveraging technology to collect the customer feedback and analyze the customer feedback across various channels. See, if you have a social media account, so for social media handle, you can push to uh, raise their customer feedback to collect the customer feedback and how this customer feedback can be analyzed based on how we can improve our business. It's very much important. How we have to if you are running a traditional business and if you are sitting for a long time, that means if you are running 5 years now in the business industry and if you are looking back to that 5 years, if you have no improvement, that means you are not listening to customer feedback and you are not implementing technology. So it's very much important to understand that you have to collect and analyze the customer feedback and you have to implement all that faults you have made in the previous customer interaction. So understanding customer need, preference and pain points to tailor your product and services, and use data-driven insight enhance the customer to offer long-term customer loyalty. See, if you are if one customer is coming and if you have converted and after sale is not good, then it's a very much big problem for the business. So after sale is also a very much important factor in our business. Data strategic asset. See, harness the power of data analysis to gain valuable insight into market trends and consumer behavior and make informed decisions based on real-time data, enabling and adapting to changing market demand. So untapped opportunities and create innovative solutions that meets emerging customer needs. See, uh, okay, I will take an example. See, if you have a website, suppose you have a website, and for that website, you have launched publicly, and you have started advertisement through digital marketing. From that, you are promoting your website. For that website, if the website you have not implemented the analytics, suppose we can take Google Analytics and you are implementing it into your website. If you are not implemented that analytics into your website and after you are promoting, you cannot know how much clients have came to your website or how much clients have been satisfied with the user interface and how much have clicked through backlinks, how much connected links have been gone through. All these kinds of things are very much important. So for that, you have to implement analytics in your business. So for data analytics, you have to understand how market trends going on and how the customer behavior is. All these things are very much important in our digital assets. That means these are all digital assets. Once we have created a workflow, then it will be converting throughout our business process, and we have to improve day by day. After that, leveraging technology R&D, that means research and development. See, if you are running a business and you are not learning about new things, it's a biggest problem you can do to your business. So for that, utilizing technology is very much important to research and development process. Explore new products and services. Implementing new products each year is very much important. Then only you can iterate quickly based on market feedback and all these things you have to implement in a quick period of time. Then only you can compete against other businesses. See, your competition is not with other businesses. The competition is with you only. So for that, you have to understand how you can learn and grow fastly and quickly. And if you only implement this research and development, then you will be mostly ahead of all other businesses in your industry. See, for this you have to leverage technology for the research and development also, and discovering the niche market. It's very much important. Using technology to conduct market research and identify niche segment with untapped potential and tailor your offering to cater to specific audience needs and preferences. Establish a strong market presence by addressing unique pain points in specialized market. Okay, for discovering niche market, we have to conduct market research. I will take an example. See, from the traditional point of view, we will be doing that advertisement in newspapers and advertisement in television, advertisement in radio. All these things are traditional marketing, and we have moved to digital, and our audience are or our customers are in digital era, and they are using mobile phone or smart devices. So for that, if you are using and leveraging, see the disadvantage with traditional marketing and digital marketing is in traditional marketing, mostly we cannot target the audience. See, if you are running a television ad, we cannot target the audience. In television, people will watch cinemas. Some are interested in cinema, some are interested in sports, some are interested in all other series. So for all these, we cannot target a niche market or niche audience in television advertisement. But look into our digital marketing or digital advertisement. Here, we can target audience to specific. That means a correct specific audience can be targeted. You have age category, then you can specify that age category. If you have gender, if you have all these things, all the niches you can target in digital marketing. So it's very much important of targeting. And next is tracking. We cannot track how your newspaper ads go. You cannot track how your television ads go. But you can track the digital marketing track. You can how the leads have converted, how much customers each page has been come. If customers has come to checkout page and after that it's going back, then there is a problem with checkout process. So after that, we have to build a map. After that, on that map, you have to ask for each section. You have to target and look what are the problems and fix all that. Okay, so we can track also. After that, taking we say A/B testing. That means if you have run a television ad or newspaper ad. For that, you have only one chance to advertise. And if you have printed a poster and you have advertised in TV and newspaper, you cannot tweak that. That means if that advertisement goes wrong, then we cannot tweak that. It's how already gone. But in digital marketing, we can tweak that and we can convert the entire process. We will do A/B testing. That means how and what customers needs and how customers are interacting toward advertisement. All these things can be done by a market niche. So that is the discovering niche market and empowering employee. Equip your workforce with technology tools and enhance collaboration and efficiency. See, our employees are important, and for employees, you have to implement technology for workforce and with technology tools. Implement all the technology tools you can implement in your system and build a system in your business. That's very much important. Providing training and resources to ensure a team can maximize the benefit of technology. See, if you are the business owner, and if you want your employees to do what your mind is going on and how you want to implement it, you can take a video, record it, and post it on a video platform and share to your employees via your system, so that because each employees will get training. So after enforcing all a business meeting and all this kind, you can take all this and implement fastly. So this is a simple example I have given you. So training and resources to ensure a team. So you can ensure all the resources are given to the employees, each and every employee. And empowered, the employees are more likely to identify opportunity for growth and propose innovative solutions. See, if the employee, while you are growing, the employee should also grow. Then only we will get a win-win situation. Then only the employee can be motivated to do more work with our company or business. So for our growth also, these things are important. So that is empowering employees. Now, moving ahead with enhancing customer experience. In this segment, we will dive into how technology can elevate your customer experience, fostering the loyalty and driving your business growth. For, for this, personalization at scale. So I have noted some points externally here. So I will check that also while interacting with you. I hope you are with me till here. So I can see many chats in the chat box, and I want to remember you that if you have any queries, you can post it on the Q&A tab in our webinar session. You have a Q&A tab, and I will answer you at the last. See, personalization. That means we can personalize the session at scale. Means suppose example, take the example of YouTube platform. So in YouTube, if you are watching related content of technology, then you will only get the feed of technology. You will not get any other entertainment content or any other kind of things will not be enter into your feed. But if you are watching entertainment content, you will get purely entertainment content only. You cannot go outside of that. That's known as personalization. Personalization is very much important in our business also and for customers also. Personalized solution can solve their problems more efficiently. See, for just take an example of the food delivery platform. That means Swiggy, Zomato. All these things have a personalization in the notification and all these things. So you have to use the creativity and you have to implement this personalization tricks. I'm not going deep into all these things, so you will get confused about that. I'm just covering the basic things, what you have to understand and how you can implement. You get an overview how these things will work and how much efficient is for you. So personalization is very much important. So after that, second is seamless omni-channel engagement. See, in this I have mentioned omni-channel engagement. That means you have to be engaged in all the social handles. If you have a website, you have to activate that. You have to push the blog. See, for all the companies, they have blog. For what purpose? They have to interact with customers. They have to, if they are introducing new product, they are writing a blog and they are pushing to you all. So basically, and after that, you have to transform to other medium also. That means if you have posted a blog in your blog, after that, you have to convert that into a image and you have to write a catchy title and you have to convert that into your blog site also. You have to come the visitors to your blog also. That means if you are pushing that image to Instagram, from Instagram, the user have to come to the your blog to read what you have written. Then only you can convert a lead. How many visitors they have come. See, after switching between channel is very much important. You have to be actively on wherever the customer is. So just take an example. For B2B businesses, it's very effective. You can use Twitter and LinkedIn for B2B business. If you are B2C, you can use Facebook, Instagram, or other social media handles for that. After that, if you have C2C, then you have probably active on all the social media in a based way. So like that, you can arrange what works for you best and what not work for you best. So these are important. After that, we'll be moving ahead with third AI-driven customer support. As I have, if you have remembering what I have told in previous slide about customers for customer support. If you have customer care executive, replace them with AI-driven customer support. That means they will get personalized after implementing personalization. Yeah, they will get personalized support to them. And replacing customer executive means I am not saying about replacing all the things, but you can help the customer executive by implementing this. So if you have at a time you have 100 customers and you have only two customer support executive, and if these at least 70 percentage of people are chatting to customer executive, they cannot handle this much with 2 employees. So while it's very much all these problem will not be important for us also. It's also very much important to understand how these customer problem affect our business or how we can solve. So we cannot solve all the problems with the customer. Only we can solve a specific problems. So for that you have to understand how we can. So for that you can implement a AI-driven customer support, so that the technology will understand their needs and they will provide the solution to them. See, in your website, you can implement a chatbot. For that chatbot, if customers have query, they can directly ask to the chatbot. After that, if the bot cannot solve the query, it can redirect to the customer executive. So, if there are 70%, as in the previous example, if there are 70% people, and from that 70% people, we can cut out to only 20% or 10%. All other queries will be solved by our AI support itself. So it's also very much important. After that, for interactive product visualization, it's also very much important. So interactive with product is very much important. So see, suppose take an example of Amazon. See, for that they are interacting, they are implementing AR, VR, and after 360 view of the product, and they are implementing all these kind of things. So you have to also implement, and you have to, if you have a digital product, take a video, they animate it and upload it to YouTube or Vimeo, all these video platforms. You can host it in anywhere and promote. Okay, you can leverage the technology maximum. And fifth is efficient order fulfillment. See, efficient order fulfillment is very much important. You have to track the customer, you have to track the order. All these things are important to see. These are no, I am covering an overview, and I see some messages that are regarding it's not efficient to do as a small business. All these things, I understand that, but I am covering. I already told you as a information in the beginning that efficient. That means in this session we will be only covering an overview of the technology, how we can leverage. We are not going in depth of the uh, session. Okay, we are not from this only this topic only, efficient order fulfillment. From this order itself, we can dive deeper into longer. We cannot complete it in 1 hour or 2 hours. It will take long. We have to understand that. So efficient order fulfillment is also important. After that, proactive customer engagement also important. Feedback collection and analysis, and loyalty programs and give them reward after purchasing this much item. You can give reward, loyalty program, implement loyalty program, referral system. All these things are important. And feedback collection, we already do. That's why I have skipped that without explaining more. We have already talked about customer engagement in very detail. We have also uh, done feedback collection, and all these things we have already done. See, now the important part has been over. From here itself, I am talking about how 10G spectrum can help you, and for this, I will we will do all the things we have already previously talked about many things, and all these things we can help with you. Okay, we can work with you. You can partner with 10G spectrum technology to implement all these things. So our services are custom website development, app development, social media marketing, SEO, business technology tools. We had discussed all these things previously. All that technology we can implement, and we will help with you. So see, if you want, these are basic things. Implementing a custom website. It's very much important to have an online presence. App development. If you are providing more detailed digital solutions, then you can implement a app development app for that. And social media marketing is very important to market your business, and SEO, organic SEO, and all these things are very much important. Okay. And those who are asking about not have money to invest in technology, I have seen many of you are not having money to invest in technology, all these things you have been asking. So that I am introducing our new Web Presence Pro, the ultimate web package, a special offer for our attendees. In, for this session, our aim is to provide you a valuable content. We have already given you some overview of how technology can, we have gone through a story about how that farmer has implemented this technology and how they have grown. All these things have been discussed. For this package, my intention or my purpose is to give you, and if you want to implement, if you want to be an active at online, you have to implement a website. It's very much important. So for that, I am giving this offer a special offer. That means I will not give you any kind of price or anything in this webinar. You can watch it in our website in the updated manner. Okay, but for this, for a period of 3 days, you will get this link active. You can see somewhere else in the screen. You can see that link, and after that you can check in the description box also. If you are watching in YouTube, if you are in Zoom, our coordinator will give you the link in the chat box. Features of Web Presence Pro: custom domain and hosting, access to premium website, SEO optimization, free 1 year maintenance and lifetime support. So these are the things we will be covering. See, in this Web Presence Pro, a website is given. Okay, hosting is free from us, and in through Web Presence Pro, you will get a website, a premium website, and from that premium website, you can list your services. You can collect leads as a contact form. You will have about us specifically telling about your business, your company, all these things, and home page. Oh, and you can implement a welcome video also. You can also implement how you can list all these things in your website. We will support with you for this. And what's included in the package, as I told already, 5 pages, and including gallery also we are providing, premium website, free hosting we are providing. So domain is not included. If you want, we will provide subdomain from, that means transispectrum.com. After that, we will provide that domain, whatever domain you want. Okay, xyz.transispectrum.com. This is mean by subdomain. If you are not aware of that, and special offer for our attendees, and the link is here. How to get started? Click the link given below. You will be redirected to that landing page, and from that landing page, you can click the book now option, and you will be redirected to our customer executives. And from there, you can start working with them, and they will guide you through how you can implement these things and how you can explore these kind of things, and how this web see, online presence is very much important in our today's digital landscape. So for that, it's very much important to understand how we are going to implement this. At least you have to be in website itself, then only you can grow much more in your business. So how to get started, I have already told you. And anyway, I will also, let me take that link also. Then I will share it with you. Let me give you that link. I'm looking into my dashboard. That link. Please wait for a while. If you have any queries, please post it in the Q&A tab. and we are not taking any queries from the live that is running in YouTube. You can ask it in the Zoom. Okay, let me check. Yes, got it. Okay, all right. The, uh, link to purchase. I am pasting it in the chat box. Okay, okay. Now we can move ahead. This is our general instruction that I have already told. You can post it in Q&A tab. And okay, for Q&A session, we have come to our end. We have completed it in 9:50 now. The time is 9:50, and we have completed it in on time. So thank you for attending. Your active participation is appreciated. Now the Q&A session is open for you all, and you can ask your queries, and I will possibly answer all the queries. Thank you. And one thing to announce you that our AI projects are also launching very soon. So stay tuned for that and follow us on socials also. So you can get all our updates in there also. And we are actively working on to introduce new products to you all. And if you want to join our email list, you can tag your email to our Google form given below. We will be updating the YouTube description. So from that, if you are watching after this live, you can go to that. For live sessions, you will be getting in the live chat itself. And for after joining, you can take it from the description box. Okay. We okay. Some let me check your queries. Okay, okay. Sir, I have a business of textile where 9 employees for my business. Where 9 employees for my business. How technology can help my small business to improve and implement operational efficiency? Okay, that's a great question. See, technology, you can implement this it in automate your process, track inventory, manage customer information for smoother operation. So you have already mentioned you have 9 employees as you are running a textile business, and it's great. Implement a track inventory, manage a customer information, implement the business software system, and all these things are very much important. And implement, build a bulk center of WhatsApp or any other social mediums so that you can introduce all your new items to them efficiently through technology. If you are implementing WhatsApp bulk centers, you can send all your customer list a personalized message to them, uh, saying about their we are launching new products and we have uh, new products, that is new dresses, new items. All these things you can be implemented. That's very much important. And next is, what are some practical ways to implement automation in our day-to-day business process? I am running a fancy shop, so I am interested to expand it. Please. Okay. So for fancy shop, implement a POS system, barcode scanner, and inventory management software. All these things are important. So you can implement all these things and many more. You can, as already said to the previous comment, you can implement all the customer management system. All these things you can implement, and you can implement a advertisement system for existing customers. All things can be implemented by utilizing technology. If you want to know more about it, you can connect with us. How data analytics to make informed business decision. I do not understand that. See, what I have said is data analytics use insights from customer behavior. See, uh, as we have taken an example of digital marketing and traditional marketing, and digital and traditional. So, both differences, from digital we can track, we can target, and we can tweak. All these things can be done, but for our traditional way, we cannot tweak all these things. So, from the why I have taken that example here is, for data analytics, we have to track our data. Means how customers behave, how customers want our product and services, how these things want to be get done. All these things are very much important. So for that, you have to be aware of that. And what are the best way to get clients without spending money? Okay, so for that, what I want to say is, um, okay, first of all, if you are not interested to spend money, see, it's very much important to do that. Leverage the social media. That's the only way I can. Content marketing, networking for cost efficient client acquisition. That means network with your make a collaboration, and content market use, as we have already said about blog. If you can build a blog, no need to worry about. You can do it for free itself. The Google is introducing a product of blogger. So that product is very much useful to those who are not spending much more money in that building a blog. It's also important. Leveraging social media. Social media are free for all of you. You can leverage that. So these are the things I can give you for that suggestion itself. Um, Someone is saying, okay, can you provide more details on services included in the web presence pro package? So as I already mentioned, see, the web presence pro package include website development, social media management, and SEO. That means social media management means we will not do all these things. We will do the basic things for your business, and you have to be implementing. You have to create posts, and you have to post all these things in socials. And for website development, we will be giving the full website with hosting for free. And for more details, visit that link I have mentioned. And I think in our screen also they are scrolling the link, so you can utilize that also. Okay. Is the Web Presence Pro package customizable to suit different business needs? Yes, why not? For all businesses, we have generally taken all the things. See, for every business, we want an about us page. For every business, we have one and contact us page. Every business, we want to list product or services. It's general. And for all the businesses, we want home page. All these things are meeting your customizable SEO. If you want a more customized, advanced, and unique way, you have. I will not suggest WebPresence Pro package for all these things. You can tailor. You can implement more advanced things in our business. I think this much query is what kind of result can we expect from implementing the service offered in the package? The purpose of this package is itself is to build an online presence of your business. It's the very much important name for us to establish a strong online presence. So it's the first thing in our priority. After that, better customer engagement can be done and improved brand awareness. See, brand awareness is also an important factor. If you want to know more, you can research it, or else you can ask me in our next session. If possible, we will conduct another session. So from that also you can ask queries. The purpose of this package is to implement this building your online presence. That's it. Okay. I hope queries are over. Any queries, moderator? Can you? Oh, okay. See, so now the time is 9:58. So if you have any queries, please let me know. I'll wait for 1 or 2 minutes. After that, we can wind up the session. Okay. How the package benefit a small business looking to establish an online presence? Yes, I already said about that. That means if you want to reach broader audience, you can purchase this web presence package. After that, we will be setting up you all the social media handles so that you can leverage that social media and promote your website. That is cross-selling. That means as we already said about blogging and comparing that to Instagram, Facebook, all these things. Similarly, if you want to implement this online presence, see, suppose you have xyz.com. For that website, your business is xyz. So for that business, we have purchased the domain of xyz.com. This domain can be promoted through social and implement all this. If you want to know more about which is the website, all these things can be done. And after that, lead generation can be done. After that, implement a email newsletter, subscribe to them, or implement newsletter. All these things, use your creativity and do all these things. If you want to build from us, we can build, and it's not included in web presence pro package also. See, in my personal suggestion, you can do it with this web presence package itself. You can do basic things are being completed from this web package itself. After that, you have to promote it, push it, and you will get a lifetime support. It's very much important. 1 year free maintenance for your website. It's very much important. All these things have been giving to improve your business. See, after improving your business, we can convert your this existing web presence package to advanced and standard ways, and we can implement a big technological advancement in your business. So for that, you have to take initiative to complete this web presence package, and how you are utilizing this will affect your business. Okay, so I hope this much is clear, and now the time has exceeded to 10:01. Okay, now I hope you have no queries. Okay, then. Thank you for actively participating in the webinar, and I will see you in the next session. If possible, we will be meeting soon in another webinar. Okay, thank you.